Ladies, go for it. Go for it. First and foremost, to the seller, I want to say thank you for your thoughtfulness. For those ladies who always struggle, some don't mind, but for me, with the cord, sometimes it gets literally, it's so hard and rough. Look at this. This is so smooth. There you go. The video wasn't doing much justice for, but beautiful. The seller went in, they did their thing. Yeah, whatever department or group that thought about with this, you did a good job. I love the part for the curly hair. So ladies with the curly hair, beautiful. If you want a nice crunch, you just crunch up your hair, get that beautiful curl. One of my other good feature that I love about this, and I cannot wait to use it, is because of this. If you know, ladies, we struggle a lot with pulling, turning around to put the how hard it's blowing. Then this is beautiful. Simple thought, just beautiful. I just love it. Love it. Yeah. I'm not a pink girl, but hey, this is cute. I love it. I actually chose this color. Yeah, and it was on sale. So I was like, went for it, because as you know, sometimes with us ladies, or blow dryer gives us a lot of trouble. But this little cutie right here, mwah, so beautiful. I can't wait to use it. Can't wait. So this is the instructions and that's it. And then the packaging is beautiful too. Carefully thought. Yeah, very beautiful. Awesome. Thank you, CONFU.
I bought the CONFU Hairdryer in October. I just started to use the diffuser portion of it, and when I turned it on, the front fell off. And when I looked inside, all the pieces that attach it are broken. So I didn't even know this until I began using it. I'm pretty disappointed, and I hope that they can make this right. Thank you.
I really loved this hairdryer. It's a hairdryer that has multiple speed settings. It has been a great help to me in times of need when I need to style my hair quickly, because it's really fast. It's very easy to use, and it doesn't weigh that much. You can carry it in your bag wherever you go and use it wherever you want. You can use it for short, medium, or long hair.
You cannot believe the power in this. For the money, wow, it is so amazing. Dries quick, comes with several attachments.